Hi, I'm Ron Owens for Bench News. Thanks for making this your number one choice for news. Uh, let's talk about weather conditions first of all. We turn right to our weather center. We're using data from the Weather Nation. Current conditions here in Shelby right now, 38 degrees. Today's high got up to about 41. We're still dealing with some cloudy sky conditions out there with just a light rain is taking place right now. 65% chance of seeing for the remainder of the day some precipitation. And of course, we do have some thunderstorm activities that will be moving in around about 8 and 9 and 10 o'clock tonight. So you will hear some very loud thunder taking place, but not severe criteria. The winds will not be a problem, but we will have experienced some free rumbles of thunder later on tonight, so be aware of that. For your conditions here in the area of for tonight, like I said, we'll still continue on dealing with the temperature's around about 39 degrees, just a mixture of possibility of wintry mix for tonight. Excuse me, this is not accurate right here. I don't know why I said wintry mix. But some of our locations, I'll say the high elevations of North Carolina mountains, could have experienced some wintry mix, about 92%. That's about, probably about 3,000 to 4,000 feet up in the high elevations of North Carolina mountains. Now for tomorrow's forecast, partly cloudy. We'll start to see some sun start to return. Maybe some clouds, of course, here. The sunshine starts to beam through those clouds. And tomorrow, it's expected temperature to be about 49 degrees. Let's also take a look at our Doppler radar right now for Weather Nation as I put that into view. And I tell you, it has been a very wet afternoon so far. Here's what we're looking at right now on our weather Doppler right now from Weather Nation. And they're actually showing you right now back towards Tennessee a very nasty weather pattern, weather system is actually taking place right now. Parts of Tennessee, Huntersville as well, Chattanooga, between Chattanooga and also Huntersville, you start to see some of this wintry mix. I tell you, dealing with some snow showers, freezing rain, of course, and sleet as well. But this is where we start to see some of this changing over right now as we get closer into North Carolina mountains. Asheville, you're on the clear right now, but this is on the way, looking back off towards the west of Asheville, we're starting to see some of this precipitation accumulating snow is actually going to be moving its way into the area tonight. And so lower parts of southern parts of Georgia, rather than say, let me get my words out tonight. We're dealing with Georgia. This is where we're going to see some of the heavy amounts of thunderstorm activity. We're already picking up some large amount of rain showers, embedded showers, and thunderstorm activity. Well, this is our system. It's going to slowly approach its way around about 8 and 9 and 10 o'clock tonight. So we'll start to hear some very strong rumbles of thunder and some frequent clouds to ground lightning. Now, winds are going to be very so it's not going to be too much of a wind event, but more thundering event staying later on tonight. So if you get ready to lay down for tonight, you expect to wake up in the morning to go see your morning commute activities as well. Expect to be overnight, you're going to hear that rumble of thunder. So nothing to be alarmed. There's no severe, it's not going to reach severe criteria. But it is something that we're going to continue on monitoring as it moves its way through. Now, I want to focus my attention here back towards the east right now, and this is what we're seeing right now. The eastern part later on tonight in the overnight hours, you're starting to see some of this weather system that's going to be approaching our area around about 8 and 9 and 10 o'clock. Later on, it will start to push your way. So that is something we're going to continue on monitoring for the rest of the evening. And into tomorrow, of course, we start to see some of the not severe, but the possibility it could have some rumbles of thunder and frequent clouds of ground lightning. That is something we want to keep our eye on as the system slowly but surely moves its way, works its way to the northeast at a very fast pace. But here's right now the precipitation map that we're showing right now. I want to show you back towards our west. This is what we've been experiencing for the month of February. This is our precipitation that's been taking place for the month of February into, February. So this is what's showing right now on our weather map here, there. And now here's a check up on our 10-day forecast from WCMC. As you can see right now, this is what we're expecting to see for tomorrow, some sun and clouds here and there. And yes, later into Wednesday and Thursday, we'll start to see another system move through. And of course, we'll still have some sun shining here and there, but there is another winter storm, as we're really seeing right now on our Doppler radar system. This is the system that's going to be moving its way into the area on Wednesday and Thursday as well. And of course, we'll have some rumbles and thunders moving into tonight. I'm Ron Owens reporting for Bitch News. Thank you.